Okay, for this lesson, I'll start with a level that's already been completed in block mode, meaning all the blocks have been replaced with the characters and art I selected from the asset packs. This gives students a visual of a fully developed game layout. From there, for this lesson, we're going to focus on the mid background tab and the trigger tab, which is this tab with the on and off switch. For the mid background tab, you can basically just upload any art from the asset packs, and you can add this art anywhere on the screen. The only difference is it's more for decoration, so you could just upgrade, how the level's going to look. Um, and when it comes to the trigger tab, this is where you can change the music or the weather when it comes to landing on a specific block. So let's say, for example, in this level, this is going to be where my boss is. So what I could do is I can click on this music note and then click right here on this box, and that'll change the music. Um, let's see. Let's click the final showdown, and then we will also change this and we'll make it rain. So as soon as my character approaches this area, let's go ahead and test it out so you can see that. And let's go ahead and also, let's add the music a little bit. So now you'll notice that it changed into started raining and the music changed. This is also the tab you use to create doors that can only be opened with a specific key. But like I mentioned earlier, I usually don't have students add keys in their games, but I do let them experiment. So with this camera icon. So this is the one right here that you would use for the doors. But this is camera icon. And with this camera icon, it offers different zoom options and effects, which can definitely make certain moments in the game feel more exciting or dramatic. So let me go ahead and show you how that works real quick. I'll click on this camera, click right here, and then it'll give you a preview of, depending on what you want, you can adjust everything manually if you wanted to, or you can pick these preset already. And we'll just pick that one just so you could see, and then we'll test it out and we'll see how this goes. See how it zoomed in. And that's pretty much it for this lesson. After this, their game should be pretty complete.